With the cost of living crisis and fuel prices at a record high, it is even more important to maximise your fuel economy. So here are some top tips to make the most out of your fuel. The most important factor is tyre pressures. Having the correct tyre pressure means you have less rolling resistance on the road and therefore use less fuel. Now this is a free check and we recommend to do it at least once a month. Things like extra load or even weather changes can have an effect and cause your pressures to drop. Next up is alignment. If your wheels aren't working together, then you're not going to be driving as smoothly, which means more energy use and more fuel. So get your alignment checked every 3 to 6 months, or if you hit one of those pesky potholes or curbs. Next up is adjusting your driving style. Hypermiling means driving in the most fuel efficient way possible, avoiding things like harsh acceleration, braking and even reading the road ahead. Now things like driving just a little bit slower can make a massive difference on your fuel economy and even getting rid of some extra load. Next up is tyres. When it comes to change your tyres, make sure to check the fuel economy rating here on the tyre label. These are measured on a scale from A to E. A gives you the best fuel economy and E being the worst, because this is to do with the rolling resistance of the road and the tyre. So the A will roll really easily, whereas E, not so much.